I run a small shop. I expect my communication to be simple.
We look for every advantage we can get, especially with our communications technology.
With a business phone that can ring on any device and the ability to forward calls anywhere I need, and taking messages when I can't answer.
It's so much more than just a phone system. All of our projects, files, and communications are right here, organized into workflows.
I can make a business call from my mobile and nobody can see my personal number. Same device, but now it always looks like I'm at work.
We can jump from chat into voice or video calls with just a click. The integrated address book means that we are all working from the same contact info. Simple.
At the end of the month, it's predictable pricing on one single bill. No surprises.
Advanced communications all wrapped up into one secure, reliable, and affordable service.